function. Okay, so let's say we want an object called a person. Okay, so you want a class of a person, which you declare with class, and then the name of the type of the object. You can call the class person. You can call it Fred for all that it matters. It's just a name of the type of class of object that you want. Okay. So in it has two dashes before, two underscores before, and two underscores afterwards its name, and it's the function where you just declare the properties of the object. So if you create an object of the class person, you would have two properties that you can refer to it and assign values to those properties of the object person. So let's first go through the class function, and then we'll look at the properties that we assign an object of the class person. Okay, so self is just the way of Python referring to the class itself or the object itself. It's a little bit of a hard concept there, but it's just instantiating that you're using the value self there, and then the object's own property, or the object's properties of the class person is assigned the values of name. So if you give it input parameters of name and age, the property name of the object itself is given the value of the input value name. And then also the same for the age. The age property of the object is given the value of the age input parameter that you